Hi, I'm Naomi, and we're going to be doing demonstration for purple cabbage indicator. But instead of using the purple cabbage indicator, we're going to be using swimming pool phenol red indicator, which is this thing here, and that's where we're going to get it. As you can see, I already filled up the water up, the beginning part, with about 240 milliliters of just regular H2O. So now we're going to get a tablespoon of this red swimming pool phenol indicator. I'm just going to pour it out. And that should be enough. Now we're going to pour it in here. And put this here. And now we are to mix it with little. As you can see, it's mostly reddish, not very light or something. It's just red, you know, because it's water, just a regular red indicator. It's kind of like light red, but it's still red. So the second part to this is to add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which we have right here. It's in Spanish because I'm in Mexico, but it just says baking soda technically. So, and here I got some. So we're going to pour the first tablespoon of baking soda. And then the second tablespoon of baking soda. Now, the baking soda is supposed to dissolve. It's supposed to be soluble, but it's taking its time. So I'm just going to stir it up, you know, help it along the way. And as you can see, it's pretty pink, which isn't really surprising. If you add white to something that's red, it's bound to turn pink, probably eventually. Just like how we added the red indicator to just clear water, H2O water, and it just looked like a lightish red. Hopefully it dissolves on time, because we need to add the vinegar, and baking soda and vinegar, it's probably gonna result very messy. You can tell it's dissolving little by little, or like it's settling down first before doing anything crazy. Well, I'm just gonna add the vinegar, which is just plain white kitchen vinegar, and I'm gonna use paper towels because it's gonna get messy. Move this over here and put this here. My sister's already helping me because she knows it's gonna get messy. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna add 240 milliliters of white vinegar, clear vinegar, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, this is about 240, maybe just a smidge more. We're going to put this to the side. And now we're going to pour the vinegar onto the baking soda. And let's see what color it turns. As you can tell, the vinegar and the baking soda reacted with each other, which in turn resulted in all this foamy because of the interactions between both chemicals. And the color, from the pink color it was, it now turned into a yellowish color. We're going to stir it up a bit. As you can see, it's still bubbling because the vinegar is reacting with the baking soda. And now the last part here. Now we're gonna add the ammonia. And opening it already kind of stank up the house, so we're just gonna have to suffer for like a few seconds so we can see the results. What's gonna happen? Thank you. So we're supposed to add 240 milliliters of ammonia also onto this beaker. So now, I'm going to make really weird faces because it's ammonia, but here we go. And that's about another 240. Now, here we go. As you can see, ammonia straw. As you can see, the whole bubbling part that was occurring with the baking soda and the vinegar died off once the ammonia was poured. And from the yellowish color, it turned into a very light pink, purplish. I can't really tell what color it is, but this is how it looks like. And I don't have my phone with me, so I can't tell what colors it's supposed to be. Here, so, can you check if that's the color? I hope it's right, because if not, then we're gonna have to redo it. Hold on. I got this. According to this, it's supposed to be a reddish violet, which is exactly what we have. And for the first one, we did get that reddish orange for water. We got the yellow for vinegar. We got the pink for baking soda. And we did get the reddish violet for adding the ammonia at the very end. And as you can see, this concludes the purple cabbage indicator thing. But instead of purple cabbage, it's swimming pool phenol red indicator. So we'll be back with another handful.